Let's begin this fun and educational journey through the English alphabet. Ready? Let's go. A is for apple, apple,
Now say it with me.
apple. A is for ant, ant,
Now say it with me.
ant. A is for
Airplane, airplane,
Say it with me.
airplane.
A is for
Arm, arm,
Say it with me.
arm.
A is for
Anchor, anchor,
Say it with me.
anchor.
A is for
Angel, angel,
Say it with me.
angel.
Let's review what we've learned.
apple, ant,
Airplane. Arm. Anchor. Angel.
Great job, kids. You're fantastic. Thank you for learning with us. See you next time.